between 60 to 70 miles per hour due to enfield downburst winds. The areas affected include Tarrant, Dallas, Hood, Johnson, and Ellis counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.